I've got the new DJI RS3 Mini. Super excited about this gimbal. I've been running with the SC2 for a long time, and because it was the smallest gimbal that DJI was selling, but I bought this as soon as I could. I mean, already I can just tell a huge difference in weight running with my Sony a7 IV and the G Master 16-35 f2.8. So we're here at this really cool new construction home, and we're gonna take a few shots and just test it out. We got ourselves a few shots of this house, just kind of see what it can do. I was struggling a little bit to get the horizon perfectly level. I couldn't find a setting on where to adjust it. Maybe I just didn't have the camera perfectly mounted level, and so it was just a hair out. Since I couldn't figure out how to fix it quickly in the app, then I'll fix it in post if it needs it. Let's head back, throw these clips on the computer, and just take a look at how smooth they are.
So we're back in Office now. I've dropped all the footage in on a timeline in Resolve, and now I'm gonna watch through it and just kind of review what we've got. Got a little dust spot on my lens there. So on this footage, I just dropped on the Arri Alexa Phantom LUT. Got a couple little dust spots on my lens, on my sensor there. Definitely got some shake to it. Jump to the next clip. All of these front shots I shot in SC2 mode at 60 frames per second and dropped it down to 24. This one right here is at 30 frames per second. It does kind of have some wandering to it. I have all image stabilization turned off, but maybe the sensor is wandering a little bit. But historically, when I've shot on the A7S3, it's not, I don't get any type of movement in the sensor that I can notice when I'm shooting video. It's like maybe I can dial in the balance. I thought I had it pretty spot on. Just threw on the LUT so we can view the footage, because I shot in S-Log3. I'm gonna go in and clean my sensor off. Yeah, it's definitely smoother than handheld, but I'm definitely not getting the result I was anticipating out of it. It's wandering. It's a little bit wobbly. It's not as like stuttery for the left and right, which is nice, because the SC2 that I have been shooting with for a long time, it kind of catches to the left and to the right and makes a little bit harsher adjustments. This looks smoother for the left and right lateral movements. But right here, I've kind of got a little bit of a wobble left to right. This one I shot in S&Q. It's stuttering because my timeline is set to 30 frames per second, but that has dropped to a 24 frames, so that's why you're seeing that stutter. You know, it's not bad for a walking shot, but you can definitely see the little bit of the wobble to the left and right. All right, well, that was reviewing the footage of the Sony a7 IV on the DJI RS3 Mini. Overall, I love the gimbal because of its small, compact weight, its size. It can fit into my top of my backpack even easier with extra room to spare compared to the SC2 that I've been running with. The one thing I still need to test is if I can use the Raven's Eye plugged into it. It says in the app it can, but I'm gonna run some further tests and I'll update you guys with what I find. Make sure you hit like and subscribe so you can catch the next video I drop. I'll see you in the next one.